Hello everyone, this is Phyo. Today we will learn how to handle the outliers in your data set before we analyze our data. It's an important stage because some outliers mess your data. So we need to handle and we need to clean it. There is a part of data cleaning step. Okay, let's see what we will do. Um, yes, in today's video, I will use 4 steps to explain how to handle outliers. First of all, we need to load the data set. Today, I will use survey package for survey data to handle survey data for removing outlier. So we need to install packages called survey. So if you don't have this package, you can install this, but I already have this, so I don't need to install this package. So that's why I need to call library for survey. And so, yeah, okay, I have call library. So I need to, load the data set. This is data. Uh, so I will use API dataset for an academic performance index in California schools. So yeah, you will see that there's a multiple data set in this API dataset. So, but I will not use all. I will use API strat. This means that the data set with stratified samples. Okay. So if you want to know more about this data set, you can simply check this. But I want to know more detail about this. I will use help function for API strat struts because I want to know what exactly this is about. Okay. So because in the column names you will see short abbreviation, CDLs as type. I guess like is school types, school name, school names, school numbers, or something like that. So, but we cannot know exactly what it is. So you can check health function for API strut. So you will see so many variables. So like 39 variables and 39 columns and also 200 cases. Yeah. So, but I will not use all the variable in this video. I will just pick one variable among them. Okay, let me see what should we use. Okay, I will pick up ACS.K3, average class size year from this data set. So that's why I will select this. I will select this API as I will select ACS.K3. Oh my God, I'm about to forget this. So we need to call library again for using select function. It's like library for dplyr. So because oh my God, mine poor mistake. Okay, library dplyr. So like, okay, we have called this. Now we can use select function. So this means that you pick out one variable from the data set, ACS.K3. As you see, like there's so many missing number. So now we have we can explore the data set by using summary function. Like, so we use API struts, and here we need to use assign operator and ACS, no assign, this is attach, ACS dot K3. So there was produce summary, minima, first quartile, median, mean. So you see like 19.16, third quartile, maximum 24. Okay, so we have the data now. So in this variable, so we can check is there any outlier or not. So we can use box plots for checking outlier for visual looking. Okay, so I will use box plots function for checking outlier box plot. Okay, box plot, which variable we use? So we use this variable for checking outlier box plot comma. So we get the name like, you can get any name you like here. Boxplot for uh, boxplot for outliers, Liers, outlier. So okay, you can see like one outlier here is equal 24. Here is so your time, so you have to decide, is there any you will, so what will you do for outlier? Like you can remove the outlier, or you can replace the outlier with some values like main value, median, mode, or something like that as you wish. So but here I will replace the outlier with the main value, so that's why I need to calculate the main value. Okay, so I will calculate mean, so I will give the name like ACS mean, because I will use this name here, mean. So I will calculate mean value. Which variable I will calculate this? I will calculate this value for main. Okay, so main, but here, so as you see, like there's so many missing values. So we remove NA. So we remove NA while we calculate main value. Okay, so you get like ACS domain. NA real. What is this? NA real. NA dot remove dot NA. Oh my god, NA dot remove. I should write like NA dot remove. Like, okay, yeah, you can get the main value. So we will use this main value while we replace the outlier. So we use if else function. So yeah, when we sorry, we don't remove it, we replace outlier with the main value. So we will get the new data set. So I will give the new name API as TRAT struts, but I give this as new. So API new. So here we need to use Python operator. So this is the main data set, API strut. We use Python operator. We use mutate function, and which variable we will mutate this. Mutate ACS dot K3. Okay, so this is the variable we mutate this. If else function. If else, we have to write ACS dot K3 equal 24, because the outlier never say 24. 24, which value we will mutate this? So we will mutate with the main value ACS dot mean and comma. So the variable name is like ACS dot K3. Okay, that's enough for. Okay, now we get the API struts new with a bit, but we cannot know exactly is there any outlier or not. So we can use the boxplot again for checking outlier. Okay, so but here we have to adjust a little bit, like because we want to check the new data set API. So new ACS.kid3, I will give the new name like without outlier. Okay, we get them. Okay, so you will see the new box plot without outlier. Okay, now you can save your data set. Here I will write, I will save my data set with like CSV format, APS. So which data sets you want to save? So I want to say API plus new, comma. So I will give the new name API and spread. API spreads. The variable name is cs.k3 because I had just handed this. That's why I see as v. Okay, this is the new name I want to save. So here, I don't want any row name. So row names, row names, What's happened? Okay, row names equal pause. Because I don't want any row name. Okay, now we have saved our CSV data. Thank you for watching my video. Okay, so see you in next video.